we'll guide you through on how to delete a WhatsApp group. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's just say you want to delete this group. As you can see, I'm in a group right now, and all you got to do is click on the profile of the group. After that, this menu will pop up. In this menu, you need to scroll down, and if you're an admin, you need to exit the group. So let's just click on exit group and click on exit, and you have already exited the group. Now you can delete the group. You can't delete the group without exiting it. So yeah, let's just click on delete group. Wait, delete group. And you can either choose if you want the media to stay in your phone or you want it deleted as well. So I'll just keep it like that and click on delete group. And that's it. That's how you delete your WhatsApp group.